To begin, I will start by introducing my mackerel fish, and you can also use any fish of your choice. Just go ahead and clean it up just as you are seeing right on your screen. So next, I will transfer the mackerel fish into my oven to grill. Next one is my all-purpose flour, which you will be needing, and I'm using 1000 grams. Next one is the baking powder, and for the baking powder I'm using 15 grams. And the next one is a pinch of salt. Next is my sugar, and I'm using 2 tablespoons of sugar. Mix very well to combine. At this step, I will be introducing my margarine, 250 grams. So I use half of it, but you can also use butter, whichever one you prefer is also okay. So keep watching. Make sure you mix very well to combine. After that, go ahead and add in your eggs, and for this recipe I use 3 fresh eggs. Mix very well. At this stage, I'll be adding in a full glass of water, and I added the water little by little so that I don't over put water. Okay guys, so just go ahead and add your own water a little by little until the dough is well formed. Keep watching. At this moment, we have a nice dough. The dough is already well formed. I'm going to transfer it into my refrigerator to cool down for about 15 minutes to 30 minutes, depending on how long you want it to stay in your fridge. So next, for the filling, I have my chopped carrots, onions, and potatoes. Next is my paprika with onions. I will be blending it, and at this stage my mackerel fish is ready, so I will go ahead and remove all the bones out, just as you are seeing right now. So keep watching. But before I forget, if you are new to my channel, hello, let's be friends. Click that sign that says subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos, you will be among the first to get notified. And to my OG returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for always tuning in. So continue watching guys. At this stage, I will go ahead and start by frying the filling, and before then I will add a little oil on my frying pan. Go ahead and add in my chopped onions. Stir it a bit. Let it to fry for 1 minute. After frying for 1 minute, then I will go ahead and add all the chopped carrots and potatoes. Keep watching. So next I will be going in with my black pepper, Maggi Seasonings. Just feel free to add in any seasonings of your choice according to your taste. Okay guys, so keep watching. So at this stage I will be going in with the mackerel fish. After then, I will go ahead and add a little bit of curry powder. Is also optional. As for me, I just love the aroma and also the taste is something else when I use it for fillings like this. So at this stage, I will be going in with my blended paprika with the onions I showed earlier. And next, I will be frying it for up to 1 minute, and after 1 minute, I will remove it out from the fire because we don't need it to be overcooked. At this stage, I'm going to allow it to cool down totally. Right now, the dough is ready. I left the dough for a very long time because I was so busy. So what I will do next is to divide the dough into two half parts. I will divide it into 5 pieces. I forgot totally that I was making video, that I paused the video. Something took my attention and I paused the video. When I came back, I was thinking that it's on, so I didn't show the part where I divided the dough. So guys, please take note. I'm sorry about that. So after that, just go ahead and add the filling inside and wrap it very well, just as you are seeing right on your screen. So as for the dough, is not hard. All you just need to do is to cut it the size you want, but I will advise to be on a safe side, cut it equal sizes. If you want it to be into 5 or 10 pieces, depending on how many you want to have, just cut it to that and equal size. And very simple, very easy. Just go ahead and follow the step and you are good to go, just as you are seeing right on your screen. Okay guys, so keep watching. So next we'll be needing egg to brush the fish pie. So I will go ahead and brush the fish pie, and after that I will transfer it into my oven and bake for 15 to 30 minutes depending on the heat of your oven. But to be on a safe side, you will allow it to bake until it is golden brown, then your fish pie is ready. So keep watching. So my lovelies, this is the final look. The fish pie is ready, well baked, looking so yummy, delicious. The outcome is so tasty. I want to ask this question. I don't know if I'm the only one in this show. Like, fish pie and meat pie, which one is more delicious? Can you drop it at the comment section? Tell me what you think. Because this is the argument we had in the house. My husband said he preferred fish pie, but I said I preferred meat pie. So, lovelies, I believe I've come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, share your thoughts at the comment section down below. Tell me what you think. See you guys in my next upcoming video. Bye!